Hey guys, Dexter here from Dexter's Workshop. So we are back with a small weekend project that I wanted to make for a long time because I'm going to use it in a lot of jobs that I have around the shop, and of the many things I will do with it. It's something I lacked for a very long period of time, and I'm talking about this kind of styrofoam guards for the pedals I make. So they will have a little bit of cushion inside the box. Of course, as you might know, I do have access to some laser cutters, but this kind of job is too easy and too trivial to be done with a laser cut. So I've made what is called a styrofoam cutter, and with it you can actually uh, cut a lot of materials from this type of styrofoam. It's called expanded because the um, the material it's very thin and very had a lot of air inside. There is also another type of styrofoam that is called extruded styrofoam. It's harder than this, with the bigger quantity of air inside of it, and there is the common foam that can also be cut with this cutter. This is the most um, this is the most ghetto project I have made. I had to make it and see if it works properly. What I'm using here, it's a laptop. It's a laptop PSU. It's a little bit too much for the project. It's 16 volts. I don't know if my camera will focus here. It's 16 volts for 7.5 amps. It's way too much for this filament. This is some nickel chrome wire that I took from a convenience store, and you will find it as heater resistance for various appliances in the house. And I had to use some resistors to drop the voltage through the wire because 7.5 amps with render the wire red hot, so it was kind of useless. Uh, I'm using, as I said, I'm using this type of styrofoam. It's 30 millimeters thick, but you can use any type of styrofoam that you like, actually. And I've made an MDF template for one of my pedals, for one of my builds. You can actually, the wire being not so hot, you can actually use a cardboard to make the template. I've used what I have around in the shop, and also this this styrofoam cutter was made with what I had around the shop. Nothing was actually bought from the store. You got one hook here, and there is another hook here that will help me to keep the wire straight. Those are two pieces of metal that I had around, and a small table just to help me to keep it straight. Uh, this is some PVC pipe that I had lying around, and some 90-degree fittings. And this column was from an old project of mine that was used for for a small Dremel drill press. So there's nothing. Actually, nothing was bought. Some nuts and bolts, and that was all. And I have to say I'm very pleased with the result. I'll demonstrate you in a couple of minutes. This is the actual result, the actual cut. There you may see that the cut it's not so straight. That's because the template was cut with a small handsaw that I have lying around. But if I'm going to use cardboard, I'm going to use an exacto knife, and everything will be nice and straight. Hey guys, so we're back. I've attached the template to the styrofoam with a little bit of double sticking tape, and I'm going to put the PSU in the outlet, and we are going to give it a couple of seconds so the filament will get the temperature, and we are going to start and cut along the template. As you might see, it's very easy. You'll have to have a little bit of patience because the filament, it was nice if it would be a little bit hotter than it is right now, but it's doing quite a good job like it is, so it's not a problem. But the feed rate has to be a little bit smaller, because it will get colder as you push it into the styro. So this is the result, and again we are going to continue and cut the other parts. You can actually use this kind of cutter for any type of application that requires some guards. You can even use it for tubes, to build transport guards for tubes. So we are going to cut it inside right now. Okay, and we are going to cut along the template. As I said, the template is not straight as an arrow because it was made by hand, actually, freehand. And but the result was, at least the first cut, was quite nice, much better than I've expected to be. Okay, and we are going out on the same road that we came. So we have this, and after that we can take out the template with care, not to break the... So this is the pedal guard that was cut with styrofoam, from styrofoam. This is it. I'm going to make you a little bit of a demo right now. So the pedal, let's see, like this, will fit right inside. Okay, and then we go straight into the box. So this is how I'm going to do it from now on, and as you might see, it's pretty sturdy, and it's a very tight fit. The first one was actually better than this one, but it happens all the time, so Yep. This is it, guys. This is Dexter from Dexter Workshop with another small weekend project that you can do yourself. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to finish this now, and I'm going to wish you a nice weekend and all the best. Dexter from Dexter's Workshop out. Bye bye, guys.